Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to check IMEI number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings. Of course, I'll show you both. So let's start with a secret code as it is the fastest way to check the IMEI number, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see in the device information which just popped out, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way of checking those numbers. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work, so you'll still be able to check the numbers. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to tap on About Phone, and now we have to find it. So let's tap on Detailed Info and Specs. And we will check the status at the very bottom. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So basically that's all. This is how to check the IMEI numbers of your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.